process of consultation from the beginning onwards. So I think so right from December we started the process, and we collaborated with 5 other organizations including the Guwahati University. And then through a series of dialogue with this organization and through the grassroots organization and the grassroots issues, we brought out certain pointers like how to bring out the manifesto. So we have women and economy, women in education, women and safety, women and institutions, education, women and health, and women's representation and participation. So we had these pointers, and against these pointers we brought out what is the issue, and then we point out certain demands, what we want from the political parties, what we want them to incorporate in their manifesto. So these issues, it's not that we just wrote the issues, it's through our grassroots mobilization process. We had a talk with the grassroots people, and then we brought out this manifesto. And after bringing out the manifesto, we had this endorsed by organizations and groups across Assam. So it was endorsed by 104 organizations. And then after having these endorsements, we got these manifestos, we printed, and then we advocated with the political parties, both national parties and also the regional political parties. As regards Assam, as we know that crimes against women is very high in Assam, so from that point of view, we want that there should be certain measures in place so that the crimes against women gets reduced. Then, for example, the defunct helpline. The helpline has been defunct last 10 years. So we want the helpline to be in progress. Again, talking about the conflict, since we know that Assam is in a conflict in both post-conflict stage, we want that AFSPA should be repealed. And we want these MPs and MLAs to take up the issue at the national level and get this repeal. Again, talking about the women's representation, we want 33% reservation in the assembly. That's another issue. And again, related to health, we know that MMR is very, very high in Assam, in fact the highest in India. So we want this department to take up actions so that MMR gets reduced.